Do you see the time? It is about 1:20. We're getting in the morning. We're getting a 1:20 snack instead of midnight snack. We're getting some 1:20 snack. So Kayla, what would you like? Would you like some fruit, some grapes, some pineapples, some oranges, blueberries, some apples, some lettuce. Oh, blueberries,
strawberries.
Oh my lord, what is this?
I can't believe it's not butter.
Oh my lordy, what is this? It's not butter, but it says right there is butter.
It's not butter. It looks like butter, it smells like butter. I think it might be butter, but it says, I can't believe it's not butter.
Fat-free podcast spray butter.
That's for corn. Oh.
Lemon juice.
Yeah.
I cooked ramen noodles.
You want some lemon juice? Some sour stuff right there.
Well, that was our 1:20 snack. Do you like our accents? Okay, bye.